Pregnant Wasim. So now it's 2:30 and what are we doing is that we are topping up our tank over here only, so that we don't have to stop till Lonavala for the fuel. It's exactly 260 kilometers from here, Powai, and if you do the full tank, my Duke can do maximum 220. I mean, it can do more than 220, but 220, after 220 it'll be on low fuel, and it's not recommended to ride this kind of a bike on low fuel because it can screw up the fuel injection. So what I'll do is once I reach Lonavala, again I'm gonna top up, and over there is gonna be our one and only major break. In between, if we feel like using loo and all that, then we'll use. Hello everyone, this is Nikhil here, and we are all set to leave for Mumbai. As you can see, we are clearly ready. Zayed is missing because he has gone to a restaurant, because even his brother was here a few hours back. So I think his brother has forgotten his wallet in some restaurant, so he has gone to check that. In the meantime, we are all ready. So yeah, everything is set. This will be my secondary camera. It's gonna give a nice viewing angle while we are going down from the ghats. And yeah, so my GoPro is charged, both the battery is charged. I am fully charged and excited to go back, even though it's just 260 kilometers. Still, I'm really excited to go back home. I can't even tell you how excited I am. I don't know why. Charge my phone as well, and disconnect the Bluetooth. Yeah, Bluetooth is connected. It's 27% now, so I'll just keep my phone inside here or wherever. Yeah, you know what, I'll just keep it here. It'll be better. Most of you ask me questions regarding my dirt sack tank bag. It's a good tank bag. I like it. Very handy, and I'm very happy with it. Although the quality is not that great, but for 2000 rupees I think it is good. Not carrying my saddle bag, I have my backpack with me. Although I regret getting a backpack because I'm getting a shoulder pain because my upper body is really long. It's 3:45 and we are officially left from Panchgani or Mahabaleshwar, whatever you want to call it. Panchgani is the place we are actually in now. So I've asked my friend to leave, so they have left, and I'm just waiting for my friend Zayed, because he has gone to this hotel. क्या हुआ? हाँ? तो क्या करने का? अभी निकलने का? Let's go. I'm sure they haven't gone that far. We'll catch them easily. Damn! Just check out the view, man. The view is amazing. Zoom. Kids, kids, don't try this at home, please. I'm very much experienced in this. Okay, I don't know whether you can see it or no, but that place is tabletop. That place is tabletop. That one, I know you can't see. Let me show you properly when I go there. So that place over there is tabletop. The name is a tabletop. It's basically a flat portion of the mountain, or whatever you want to call it. It's just flat, and as you can see, it's everything is like, it looks beautiful. Okay. Easy, Nikhil, easy. Don't rush. So yeah, you can go from there and you can just click pictures. Nice, wonderful pictures. If I want, I can go there and I can show you, but to be very honest, the beauty of that place will only look good if it's, fuck, this looks like a looks like a television. So beautiful. वसीम किधर है? कल ही माँ खड़े रहे। वसीम बहुत पीछे है ना। मेरे को वसीम दिखा नहीं। एक बार दिखा बस वो घाट के बाद में दिखा नहीं मेरे को। हाँ बोलना। अभी चालू नहीं कर रहा वो, अरे घाट में चालू किया था। We were just waiting for Wasim. He's here now. We just came back. We just came from there. Now this side is Pune and then Mumbai, and then this side is this side क्या है? Bangalore. This side is Bangalore. This side is Amchi Mumbai. सेट है, चालू है। हाँ बराबर। एक मिनट अभी ठीक है। Hopefully now we won't stop for anything. Our plan is to stop near Lonavala. So let's go. अरे ये तो ट्रैफिक हो गया। In the middle of a highway there's a traffic. Why? Oh man. So till now we have done around 77.9, which is 78 kilometers from Mahabaleshwar or Panchgani base. Okay. I can see a bad traffic throughout the road. Yeah, that was a sign. Engine is getting hot. हट साला, हम तो फंस गए। I will not show you this boring part. I'll just switch off the camera. 80 kilometers till now. Wasim was having a little bit of a back pain, so we stopped for like 2 minutes, but I asked my friends to continue, because if they'll wait, then for no reason we'll waste time. Okay, so right now I'm almost in Pune, and I would like to apologize to all my Pune subscribers that I did promise that I'll meet you guys while coming back from Mahabaleshwar, but unfortunately I cannot, because I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video. Zishan's grandfather is not well, so we have to rush to Mumbai, and that is the reason we are rushing to Mumbai. We were supposed to leave even late. We were supposed to leave like around in the evening, but then we got a call from Zishan's father that his grandfather is not well and he's in the ICU, so really we have to rush. So I apologize to all my Pune subscribers. I am really sorry. I'll try to make it up to you. I'll come to Pune soon enough and I'll definitely meet you guys. Thank you for understanding, and I'm really sorry. Okay, I hope you understand. I hope you can hear with all this wind noise. I'm cruising at 100 kilometers an hour anyways. अच्छा, वो लोग अच्छा स्पीड पकड़ रहे. So yeah, we can't take our bikes to Express Highway, obviously. So now we'll be taking the old Mumbai-Pune route. It's 5:55 in the evening, and we still have around 140 kilometers to go. Till now we have covered 125. So far so good. It's 6 o'clock in the evening, and my target is to reach Lonavala by 6:30, and Lonavala is just 28 kilometers away. I hope I could touch Lonavala, because Lonavala is our major stop. If I could reach Lonavala in half an hour, then it's good. And I'm sure I can reach Lonavala in half an hour, because I'm maintaining a good speed and the road is nice. But the problem is there will be a traffic in Lonavala, because today is Sunday. So everyone must be, in Lonavala, or must be exiting Lonavala. Oh, lovely. Sunset. Cool. Lonavala, we have just stopped up, and we'll go to a restaurant over there and we'll eat something. It's 6:30 exactly, and the outside temperature is pleasant. It's hot. It's I think around 26, 27, and it was fun. In Pune, we got a lot of traffic, so our average speed was quite low in Pune, but the moment we crossed Pune, we could ride fast and we could reach Lonavala on time. So our average speed becomes 70. From 60 to 70 it became. Anyways, we eat something, then we leave for Mumbai. So far, so good. Okay, so this Mulaqat restaurant, where we're gonna eat now. And okay, not really hungry, but I'm thirsty. Actually, I need my coffee, so I'm gonna have my coffee now over here. So I had 2 lassi and 2 firni. Sorry, 1 lassi and 2 firni. I am really full. Although I didn't want to eat anything, but they were eating, so I just ate also. And now we are all set to leave for Mumbai. It's gonna be dark, so I'm not gonna be using my camera a lot. But still, we have decided that we'll get separated in Panvel, 30 kilometers before Mumbai, because it's gonna be a little traffic because today is Sunday. But let's see still. Ready? बैठ जा बाइक पे. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. And for some reason I'm having now, for some reason I don't know, I'm having bad cold now. I don't know why. So this is basically JNPT Panvel junction. Today Sunday, there's going to be traffic over there, so we have decided that we will get separated from here only. So let everyone come first. हाँ निकलते यहाँ से, बहुत ट्रैफिक हो जाएगा आगे. चल निकलते हैं. मैं स्ट्रेट जाऊँगा मुलुंड से, तुम लोग लेफ्ट मारोगे ना. ठीक है. We were planning to come to Mumbai early, but we came at 8:30. So when I'm back home, I hope you like this video. I'm tired, very sleepy. Anyways, if you're watching this video for the first time, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like the video, share the video. Please comment down below what is the best thing you like about this video. And as always, shukran alvida, masalama, take care and do whatever you want, my friends. It's time for me to take a bath and then go out for some work. Bye.
देखो साइड पता है कहाँ तक आ रहा है. ये टॉप कॉर्नर पे मेरा हाथ यहाँ दिख रहा है. ये मेरा हाथ है. वसीम दिख रहा है क्या देख. अरे वसीम भाई राइट जाओ और राइट जाओ और राइट और ना दिख रहा है. और हाँ अब जाके वसीम भाई की हेलमेट साइड में टच हुई. पूरी हेलमेट दिख रही है. माय गुडनेस. लेकिन इधर का नहीं यार, इधर का नहीं, जहाँ तुम बैठे वहाँ का, वो तरफ का. इधर का आएंगे तो यहाँ तक ही है. यहाँ ये मेरा नहीं दिख रहा है, यहाँ तक. कहाँ से दिखेगा? क्या बोल रहे हो? मेरा दिखेगा मतलब बता रहा हूँ. वहाँ से एंगल आ रहा है, यहाँ से नहीं दिख रहा है. बंद हो गया मामा. अरे बंद हो गया ना वहाँ. नहीं दिख रहा कुछ. अबे मास्क तो होता है. अबे तू ओरिजिनल है, वो नल्ला है.